Hello students, according to our topic cloud computing, we send you link about that, about the type of the cloud computing, services of the cloud computing. I just give you link, and now in this video we just explain you Google Documents and Google Drive. How we can use Google Document or Google Drive, and what is the difference in between Google Document and Google Drive. Student, first of all you confirm that your internet will be working. Open it. Here is the sign of if we want to open this, next documents, we want to open this. This type of screen will be open, this type of window will be open. Just click on blank. Here is the option where document is open. If we want to write here anything, if we want to note at anything, we can use this like MS Word. Here is the option like rename, new, open, make a copy, download, rename document, edit, view, insert, like simple documents. Okay, if we want to share this document, we just go to share. We use this if we want to share this to any another mail ID or any another mail address, right? All these options are very easy and same as MS Word or WordPad. This is the one thing. If we want to share any videos, like videos, like images, like audio, if we want to share that thing, that will be not do here, because this is the document. If we want to share any document, then we use this. If we want to share any another thing, then go to back. Here it is, it's Drive. Here we can upload our videos, upload our images, new folder, file upload, folder upload, okay, all these things. Okay students, so the difference between Google Documents or Google Drive, if we want to share any document, then we use Google Docs. If we want to share any file, folder, maybe related with any images, any video, audio, we can save or share it in Google Drive. Okay, rest of the other things we just already discussed in our meeting. Same thing, if we want to share these things, if we want to share any file and folders, we can use it. Watch it carefully. Option. Here it is, share. open with, share, get link. If you want to send this images link to anyone else, location of file, each and everything. Clear? So this is the topic about Google Docs and Google Drive. If you have any query, any question, beta ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.